Artificial intelligence has been advancing at lightning speed in 2025, and this week it took another dramatic leap. From major resignations inside OpenAI to bold AGI plans at Google, and even new self-learning AI models from China, the landscape is shifting fast. Let's break down what just happened and why it matters for the future of humanity. A key OpenAI leader resigns. One of the most talked about developments came from OpenAI, the organization behind ChatGPT. Miles Brundage, who was a senior advisor for AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, readiness at the company, announced his resignation. Why does that matter? Brundage wasn't just any employee. He was part of the internal team tasked with ensuring that OpenAI's work on increasingly powerful AI models was done safely and responsibly. His departure signals potential internal disagreements about the direction OpenAI is taking. In his farewell post, Brundage expressed deep concern that the world is not ready for AGI, the hypothetical point where AI can match or exceed human intelligence across all tasks. He hinted that OpenAI has begun shifting its priorities from ensuring safety and ethics to focusing more aggressively on being competitive in the global AI race. This is worrying news for those who believe that safety and oversight must come first in the race toward AGI. Google DeepMind doubles down on AGI. While OpenAI faces internal shifts, its main rival, Google DeepMind, is ramping up its efforts to develop AGI. DeepMind CEO, Demis Hassabis, has made bold public statements predicting that AGI could be achieved within the next 5 to 10 years. Google isn't just theorizing about AGI, they're building toward it. The company recently launched an initiative called Project Astra, which aims to create real-time, multimodal AI agents. That means AI that can not only respond to text or voice, but also interpret video, images, sound, and other sensory data all at once. The goal? An AI that can function as a general-purpose digital assistant, capable of solving complex problems, learning continuously, and adapting in real time, across a range of applications from science and healthcare to education and creativity. This isn't just smart AI. It's the groundwork for true general intelligence. AI that teaches itself. While OpenAI and Google dominate headlines in the West, a groundbreaking development is happening in China. A new AI model, created through collaboration between leading researchers and government-backed institutions, is capable of self-improvement, learning, and adapting on its own, without constant human oversight. This kind of self-evolving AI pushes the boundaries of what was once thought possible. The model begins with human-coded prompts and datasets, but eventually trains itself, identifying its own weaknesses, rewriting parts of its code, and generating improved versions without human input. It's a form of recursive self-improvement, long theorized in academic circles, but rarely seen in practice. Researchers have celebrated this as a breakthrough. However, the implications are massive and controversial. With AI gaining the ability to improve itself, many fear we could be stepping into unknown territory. Without robust safety checks and ethical oversight, self-modifying systems could become unpredictable or even uncontrollable. Why this matters now? All of these developments, OpenAI's internal tensions, Google's rapid push toward AGI, and China's self-learning AI, signal a pivotal moment in the history of artificial intelligence. We are no longer talking about what AI might do someday in the future. These are real systems being built and deployed today by some of the most powerful organizations on Earth. The race to build AGI is accelerating, and with that comes enormous opportunity, but also significant risk. Critics argue that without strong regulations and international cooperation, this could lead to a technological arms race, one where safety, ethics, and transparency take a backseat to speed and dominance. The departure of someone like Miles Brundage sends a clear message. Some insiders feel that these concerns aren't being taken seriously enough. What's next? Governments around the world are now facing a critical challenge: how to regulate rapidly advancing AI technologies without stifling innovation. Meanwhile, companies are being urged to open up their research for independent audits, safety testing, and global oversight. As we move closer to artificial general intelligence, the stakes only grow higher. AI isn't just about chatbots and productivity tools anymore. It's about who controls intelligence itself. One thing is certain, the future of AI won't just be shaped by engineers and tech CEOs. It will be shaped by all of us, policymakers, educators, scientists, and everyday users, demanding that this technology serves humanity, not just profit or power.